SMARTmark by TUCATEK is the most powerful marker-making system on the market, and our newest release is the strongest yet. It's user-friendly and engineered for maximum efficiency with no human intervention. SMARTmark works nonstop, delivering unmatched accuracy and speed. But it's more than a marker maker. This is the complete data-driven solution for MRP and inventory control. SMARTmark automatically generates Excel reports with everything you need for costing and planning, fabric usage, spreading and cutting cost, execution time, cut planning, and capacity allocation. It supports both imperial and metric systems. With SMARTmark, you get higher yields, faster turnaround, and full visibility across your entire production workflow, all with just a few clicks. To learn more, contact TUCATeam at tucatek.com.